Welcome back to the channel, guys. This week we're showing you how to make authentic Jamaican Escovitch fish. In Jamaica, it's customary to use goatfish or snapper or one of those types. Here in the UK, we can get sea bream and sea bass really readily, so that's what we're using. To start off, we prepare the fish by making sure it's scaled and cleaned, and then cut into pieces, or we sometimes leave them whole. We use a mixture of peppers, carrots, garlic, onion rings, and pimento, along with some, what's this called again? Distilled vinegar to make a lovely Escovitch fish sauce. It's a really flavorsome sauce that goes well with fried fish. To make the Escovitch sauce, just slice the veggies and then cook them in a pan with some vinegar and Scotch bonnet pepper. Allow it to cook for a bit so the vinegar, about 3 minutes, so the vinegary taste is gone, and then just add a little salt and sugar. On the blog, you'll find the recipe as well as in the description box below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this week's video. And if you like content like this, please remember to come back next week because this is the type of content we share. Don't forget as well to comment, like, subscribe, and share the videos with others. See you next week. Bye. Bye.